Yo, here's why it's the perfect time to join Nexus Snap. If you're not that familiar with what Nexus Snap is, it is a new network marketing opportunity in the cash back and savings industry, which is a multi-billion dollar industry. So when it comes to new network marketing opportunities, it's a known fact that the sooner you get in, the better. You have to remember, when people join, they have to go underneath people that's already in the company. And remember, you get paid for everybody underneath you. So you might be thinking, man, I know that. You know what I'm saying? Who don't know that? All right. So why should I join Nexus Snap right now? Well, here's why. Because as of me recording this video, Nexus Snap has less than 5,000 members. Now you compare that to a company like Live Good, who has over 1 million members, all right? 1 million members, and people are still joining this opportunity. Even if you look at another company that I'm involved with, Got Backup, they're around 40,000 members. Nexus Snap has less than 5,000 members right now. So this means you basically can be in at the beginning of this opportunity right now. Because I've seen so many people who like, oh, I was gonna join Live Good, but there's like, at the time, 100,000 people in it, man, it's too late. When it was at 300,000 people were like, oh, it's too late, man, damn. I wish I'd have got in earlier. That's what so many people say about Live Good. Right? So now you got this opportunity, Nexus Snap, which is starting to catch on. Trust me, do some searches on it. You'll see people are starting to talk about Nexus Snap more and more. And keeping it all the way real, if you are in the first 5,000 people to join Nexus Snap, that's super dope. But to be honest with you, even if you're in the first 100,000, 200,000 people, you still are in a good position. Now, one of the reasons why I rock with Nexus Snap so hard and why so many other people do is because of its mass appeal. Because Nexus Snap is all about, you know, getting cash back and saving every time you shop, right? So you got to ask yourself, like, who's not into that? Like, who's not trying to save money? Who's not trying to make money? Right? Like, that appeals to tons and tons and tons of people. So Nexus Snap is definitely one of those evergreen opportunities that, you know, you can be a part of today, and in 5 years from now, Nexus Snap still should be popping. So like, why would you join the opportunity 5 years from now when you can actually start today and actually start building up your income? And then 5 years from now, you're gonna look back and be like, damn, I'm glad I joined 5 years ago. You know what I'm saying? Like, the earning potential that Nexus Snap has is incredible. Because I tell people all the time, check out the compensation plan. Don't take my word for it. Check it out for yourself. You will see how incredible the earning potential really is. So yes, do I think you'll be able to make money with Nexus Snap a year from now? Yeah. But do I think you should join this opportunity as soon as you can? Hell yeah. And you can get started by clicking that first link in the description, and I will see you on the team.